Hey YouTube, this is Southern Prepper 1. I am at the Gallery of Homes of the Upstate, and it's in, I think it's Powdersville. This would be considered Powdersville, South Carolina. This is a little tiny home. Now, it's really considered an RV, and that's how it's sold, as an RV recreational vehicle. It is $110,000 for one of these. Actually, this one's $100,000 because it's the model, but if you order one, it's $110,000. That just gives you some ideas. And it's not cheap, but it beats buying a $400,000 house, and it's movable, so it has pluses. Very roomy inside, nice ceiling fan, a fake fireplace, but you have enough room to put a table, couch, a chair. Very comfortable for a couple, no problem. Full-size refrigerator and all your modern conveniences, your kitchen. It's very easy to heat and cool. Could even do it off of a solar system. I've had a few people say, man, I need something like that, because they're paying huge amounts in rent. So when you think of it as, hey, I could be putting my rent money into something that's mine, washer, dryer, then we're going to go up. It's sort of a ladder stair combination, and you definitely have an awesome sleeping loft. It's probably only 3.5 foot in the center, so definitely you could crawl up here, just have a mattress on the ground, and very, very comfortable. Realistically, you could sleep 3 or 4 people up here, but really 2 people would be very comfortable in a queen bed. Got a window here that opens. Going down the stairs. You got some storage here. Got a nice bedroom. It's small. Closet. So you could fit a bunk beds in here. It's a lot of nice details. I mean, it is a cross between a tiny home and a recreational vehicles. Easy to heat and cool this place. For a couple, you couldn't beat it. I'd rather see someone, spend $110,000 instead of paying a ton of money every month on rent, and it gets thrown away. Nice big covered porch. I will try to go back to those other ones that I showed you about 3 weeks ago, and I'll try to get a price. Now, those are more tiny home, site built, but this one is definitely nice. Add some gutters to it when you get it in location. You can collect rainwater. Add a solar system up there on that flat roof. You could probably be self-contained. So there you go. I'll try to bring you more details of little tiny homes with prices so you can really compare. Now, could you build this cheaper? If you can do it yourself, yes, you definitely could. But if you had to hire someone, to be honest, it's going to come out to about $100,000. But it's cute as a button. Thanks for watching.